This video teaches you how to lower a PowerPoint presentation file's size, compressing images on Windows. Double-click an image. Doing so will open the Format tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. Click Compress Pictures. Clicking it will invoke a pop-up window. Uncheck the Apply Only to this picture box. Disabling this option will ensure that all pictures in your presentation are compressed. Click the Email 96 ppi option. Click OK. Doing so will apply the compression settings to all images in your PowerPoint file, thereby reducing its overall size. Removing Edit Data on Windows. Click the File tab. Click Options. Click Advanced. Check the Discard Editing Data box. It is located below the Image Size and Quality heading. This option removes excess information from your PowerPoint presentation. Click OK. Click the Save icon. Doing so will save your changes and apply the discard editing data changes to your presentation, which may lower the overall file size. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.